Why can't I just say it, what I want to say, and just do it, you know? I always have to be like, do. Why me? My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona. And hi there. It's 2022. Well, actually, today is August 8th, 2021, but I've already decided I'm going to post this. This is going to be the first video for 2022. And I just want to say real quick, thank you. If you made it through all of 2021, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing all those videos, for staying with me and being with me in all those vlogs. I know sometimes that I film just like a lot, but I feel like I just love taking you guys on those trips with me, you know? So I just want to say thank you so much if you joined me, if you came along with all those crazy vlogs and everything that happened in 2021. That was a fun ride. And yeah, I hope to visit more national parks in 2022. So let's see. Anyways, the first video for 2022, and I wanted to cover this. I'm not too sure if you've been seeing, but my Fitbit broke in June of 2021 of this year. And it broke while I was hiking Scout Cave, if you recall. So it didn't break, but what happened is that it just stopped working and it was just flashing, right? And then I decided to open up a case with Fitbit and I sent it back, and Fitbit did not send me a new one until a month later. So I just received this back in the mail. This is allegedly my new Fitbit that they sent me. Well, I thought we could do an unboxing of my new one and I could tell you a little bit. And I mean, you saw what happened, right? I was just out hiking and it just decided to die, and I kept it on my wrist the whole time for Scout Cave, etc. And I took it off and I tried to keep it cool, right? Because I thought it was the heat and stuff like that, but it just ended up, it was broken. So when I contacted Fitbit, I told them what had happened, and they agreed that maybe I had some type of lemon because the Fitbit is supposed to be sweat proof, right? It's not supposed to be waterproof, but it's supposed to be sweat proof. And you know, I sweat a lot, okay? I'm a sweaty person, especially while I'm out hiking. I don't know what happened. You know, I didn't hit it against anything, and as you saw, the screen was fine. To clarify, the timeline goes like this. I bought it right around Christmas. I filmed the unboxing in January 2021. I posted the unboxing. You guys saw it in March, late March 2021. And then it broke in June. So that's less than 6 months of use before it broke, you know. I was annoyed, okay? And I'm actually thinking about switching to an Apple Watch now, you know, because those are waterproof. I could wear it swimming and hiking, and I sweat a lot, right? So I'm thinking about actually switching to an Apple Watch next because I'm not too happy with this Fitbit Sense. So, you know, I'm going back on my review saying that the Fitbit Sense, yeah, sure, it might be good at the start, but let me tell you, this story is not going so well so far, you know? I'm kind of annoyed. So let's do an unboxing. This is what they sent me, and this is what I received. So Fitbit requested that I send them the cord and just the Fitbit. So this is all I got back, right? Because this is all I sent them. So I'm not sure if this is the one that I sent. It doesn't appear to be. I kind of looked at it through the packaging already. It doesn't look like it. But just so you know, this is what you receive if you do receive one back. I forget what it's like, the recall or whatever. The recall one, the replacement one. So this is what they sent. So it just comes in this little Fitbit package. As you can see, it's very generic. It doesn't come in the pretty box because I still have that from my new one, right? So, and then it looks like that on the back. And here's the cord. And then here's the little Fitbit. I don't know if you can see that in there. And then you can just see it's just got the Fitbit logo and stuff on the back about it. But there's nothing really about it. So I just thought they just come in these little plastic bags. So I thought I would open this up on camera. Let's see if my new one works. I'm interested. Oh, it's got plastic both on the front and the back. Okay, this one does look brand new, actually. See, remember my old one? It had, it was scratched up a little bit. Not that bad. And then my other one had a plastic case on it too. And it looks like it is fully decharged or whatever, so it's not going to turn on currently. Yeah, so I'm holding down the power button, nothing's happening. So I think I have to charge it. I'm going to get back with you guys on that. Here is the charging cable. Here's the charging cable. This one looks good as well. Looks the same, you know. So the charging cable looks fine. And I'm using a different charger, and I asked them, you know, like I'm using a third-party charger in order to charge it. Would that hurt? You know, would that cause an issue? And they were like, no. So, you know, we'll have to see. I'm going to charge this up, and I'm going to let you know how it works. So that's all. That's what I wanted to talk about for 2022. Thank you so much for joining me on this short little video. Hi there. Editor Jillian here. I'm currently editing videos here with my dog Athena. We just finished editing the Epic Views 2021, and today is January the 26th, and I'm currently editing what I'm calling the Fitbit fiasco video, right? I just wanted to show you the Fitbit update. I'm still using the Fitbit that they sent me as a replacement, right? I realized after that time frame that yes, I had a huge lemon, and I had so many issues with that other Fitbit, you guys. Like, I'm not even joking. It would constantly die on me, or something goofy would happen to it, you know? So it was a lemon, and I'm pretty sure I had some type of defect. So this one works 1,000 times better, and I'm very happy with it so far. But as you know, in Arizona, the true test is summer. So I think I'm just going to update this in August 2022, and we'll see if this lasts through the summer. Because let me tell you, electronics plus high heat, you know, it gets over to be 120. I walk outside. It's not a good combination. Okay. So we will see how that goes. I'll let you guys know. And yeah, thanks for watching. This video just maybe a little disjointed, kind of all over the place, because I have updates from like when I was showing it, you know, and then like updates from when I was hiking, and I just wanted to create like this little intro part where we open this up. So that was it, you know. They just sent me the cord and this back, and I'm gonna see how long this one works. All right, again, I'm not too happy with Fitbit right now. Thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.